We fix bikes that people bring in, and it's all at no charge. We also get donations, and we fix those donations up and then sell them to help support getting materials for us. It's always interesting to meet the people who need bikes. We see people from all walks of life, people who absolutely depend on their bikes for their life.
We've had people come in here who have just been offered a position, a new job somewhere, and they have no other means of getting to the work. And so giving them a bike to be able to commute back and forth, that's a life-changing thing for them.